tops. I know which end of the spectrum I'd rather be at. Luxury jewellery maker Tiffany & Co reported results earlier, and it was good news all round. Sales on the rise around the globe. And in a few hours' time, we're expecting Hewlett Packard to be opening its books. And quite the opposite might be happening there. The US computer maker saw its year-long stock rally stall last week amid fears the computing giant's efforts to engine growth by 2014 would be in vain. Victoria Fritz is live in New York and at the stock exchange for us. No, she's not. She's in the bureau. How are you there, Victoria? How did you do that?
I'm very well, thank you.
OK, let's start off with Tiffany. Where are they selling jewellery? Where are the biggest buyers?
Now, the biggest buyers are in Asia, a staggering 27% rise in their sales in the Asia-Pacific region. Yes, it's China, lots of Chinese travellers in Taiwan, in Hong Kong and Macau, but they're also seeing it extend beyond that to Singapore and to Australia. And what they're selling a lot of is the fashion jewellery and also a lot of the fancy diamonds, the yellow diamonds that have become so fashionable recently. Now, that's where the big push is. And they've also seen sales rise, not quite so spectacularly, in Europe and in the US. And in that regard, they're looking at the big, fancy, high-end pieces, the big statement jewellery, and they're actually able to push up the prices slightly higher. But it's quite interesting on the Asia point because in Asia, it's largely unbranded when it comes to high-end jewellery. So it's a real sweet spot for Western retailers to get in there and get in on that action and sell, sell, sell. So the lure of those little turquoise boxes and, of course, the very sparkly contents inside continues unabashed.
OK, just very quickly, HP, what's happening there?
Well, HP, we're expecting results, as you said. We're expecting sales to fall 7%. Now, smartphones, tablet computers, it's absolutely destroyed the personal computing market. Now, that accounts for almost a third of HP's sales. So it's a real issue for them. Meg Whitman, she's the chief executive. She was brought in 2011 to turn around the company. She says it'll take 5 years. Investors, I'm not sure they've got that much time to sit and wait around and wait for that change in consumer habit to change again. So, you know, we're waiting on these figures. We're expecting them to be down. Still massive problems and margins squeezed by the likes of competitors Lenovo and Dell.
Victoria, thanks so much. Now, is it time to go it alone?